Hello everyone, and welcome. When you hear the name Elon Musk, you often think of groundbreaking innovation, ambitious visions, and disruptive technologies. His ventures, like Tesla, have consistently pushed boundaries. But even the most revolutionary ideas face hurdles. Today, we're diving into the ongoing journey of the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that promised to redefine pickups but has encountered its fair share of challenges and controversies since its reveal. We'll explore what makes it unique, the criticisms it faces, and the road ahead for this futuristic truck. Get ready to understand the complexities of bringing a radical vision to life. 1. The Cybertruck's vision, redefining the pickup. The Cybertruck burst onto the scene in 2019 with a bold promise to revolutionize the traditional pickup truck market. Radical design. Imagine a vehicle that looks straight out of a science fiction movie, with its sharp angles, unpainted stainless steel exoskeleton, and armored glass. This wasn't just another truck, it was a statement. Unprecedented specs. It boasted impressive, and initially hard to believe, specs: immense towing capacity, rapid acceleration, and a bulletproof body. Musk's ambition. This vehicle embodied Elon Musk's philosophy of pushing boundaries and challenging conventional design and engineering. It aimed to disrupt a hugely profitable and competitive segment of the automotive industry. The Cybertruck was designed to be different, to be a future-forward utility vehicle that broke all molds. 2. From concept to production, the roadblocks. Bringing such a radical concept to mass production has been anything but smooth. Production delays. The initial reveal in 2019 promised a 2021 release, but production didn't truly ramp up until late 2023, with initial deliveries in early 2024. These delays fueled skepticism and impatience. Manufacturing complexities. The stainless steel exoskeleton, while visually striking, proved incredibly challenging to manufacture at scale. Precision in bending and welding such thick, hard material is difficult, leading to questions about panel gaps and fit and finish. Cost and pricing. Early pricing estimates were significantly lower than the actual delivery prices, leading to disappointment among some pre-order holders. The bulletproof glass famously cracked during its initial reveal, creating a viral moment that highlighted potential vulnerabilities. The journey from a dazzling concept car to a mass-produced vehicle presented significant engineering and logistical hurdles. 3. Public reception and critical scrutiny. The Cybertruck's unique design and Tesla's reputation have led to intense public scrutiny and mixed reactions. Polarizing aesthetics. Many love its futuristic, dystopian look, seeing it as bold and innovative. Others find it aesthetically unappealing or impractical for everyday use. Its sharp edges and unpainted finish are unlike anything else on the road. Safety concerns. Questions have been raised about pedestrian safety due to its rigid, angular design and the lack of traditional crumple zones. Regulatory bodies in different regions are reviewing its compliance with various safety standards. Practicality debates. While powerful, its massive size, limited rear visibility, and unpainted finish, prone to fingerprints and difficult to repair, sparked debates about its real-world utility compared to conventional trucks. Online crises and PR challenges, minor issues, viral videos of alleged malfunctions, or even observations about its road presence often become amplified online, contributing to a perception of crisis or challenge for the vehicle. The Cybertruck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, and every aspect of it is dissected under a microscope. 4. The crisis narrative, perception versus reality. The term crisis is often used in headlines, but it's important to differentiate perception from reality. High expectations versus delivery. Tesla and Elon Musk are known for setting extremely ambitious timelines. When these aren't met, or initial production is slow, it can generate a crisis narrative, even if it's a typical part of manufacturing innovation. The hype cycle. Like many revolutionary products, the Cybertruck has gone through a significant hype cycle. Initial excitement, followed by a trough of disillusionment during delays, and now a slow climb as more vehicles hit the road. Musk's role. Elon Musk's outspoken nature and direct engagement with the public, while building hype, also mean that any perceived misstep becomes a high-profile event. While facing significant production and design challenges, the crisis is often framed by the intense scrutiny and high expectations surrounding any Tesla product. 5. The road ahead, evolution and impact. Despite the challenges, the Cybertruck is here, and its journey is just beginning. Ongoing production ramp. Tesla is focused on increasing production volume and improving manufacturing efficiency. As more Cybertrucks hit the road, real-world data and user feedback will be crucial. Future iterations. Like all Tesla vehicles, the Cybertruck will likely receive software updates and potentially hardware revisions to address issues and enhance features. Market impact. Regardless of its controversies, the Cybertruck has undeniably forced traditional automakers to rethink their electric truck strategies. Its radical design has pushed the boundaries of what a vehicle can look like. A long-term bet. The Cybertruck represents a long-term bet on a new approach to vehicle design and manufacturing. Its ultimate success will be judged not just by initial sales, but by its long-term reliability, utility, and ability to evolve. The Cybertruck is a testament to bold ambition. Its story is a vivid example of the challenges and rewards of pushing technological frontiers. Conclusion. The Tesla Cybertruck is a vehicle unlike any other, born from a visionary's ambition and facing the real-world complexities of innovation. While headlines might point to a crisis, it's more accurately a period of intense challenge, public scrutiny, and a continuous push to refine a truly revolutionary product. Its journey highlights that even the most innovative ideas must navigate the bumpy road from concept to widespread adoption. The Cybertruck is a fascinating case study in disruption, and its impact on the automotive world is just beginning to unfold. Outro. What are your thoughts on the Tesla Cybertruck? Is it a futuristic masterpiece or a flawed experiment? Share your opinions and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone curious about Tesla or innovation, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology and beyond. Thanks for watching.